Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna talk to you about how I got monetized within 24 hours. Also, I am gonna tell you a little bit about how much I'm making so far. First of all, I'd like to say it is very hot, so I'm sorry if I look sweaty, and second of all, I am a little bit sick, so you'll probably hear it in my voice if this is not the first video that you're watching of me. I don't have the virus, it's just a cold. Yes, I got tested. Anyways, I got monetized and I was so happy and it went so fast and I just didn't understand what happened. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. If you don't know much about getting monetized, if you're not like a YouTuber or you just like to watch my videos, I don't know. There are actually 2 requirements that you need to have, and if you don't, you just can't get monetized yet. So within 1 year, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And 4,000 watch hours is a lot. Believe me, it's a lot. What is that? So that is a lot. So I'm gonna talk about when I reached it, how I reached it, and then I'm gonna talk about the process and how much I made. My first video that I uploaded on this channel was on April 7th. How long has that been? 4 months. So I've been doing this for 4 months now. What? That was shorter than I expected. April 7th, I uploaded my first video on this channel, and to be honest, it started off pretty good. It was not a good video. I'm not proud of it. Honestly, I filmed that video 3 times and I still wasn't satisfied with it, but I thought, you know, I'm just gonna put it online, and I did, and people liked it. And I got like over 100 views on that video. It went pretty well for me and it started off really good, and I don't know, people really liked me. So I had my first 100 subscribers on the 23rd of May. So that's about a month and a half later. Then I had my first 100 subscribers. I don't know, it feels pretty fast. People say that your first 100 subscribers, it goes very slowly, but for me that wasn't really the case, I feel like. I mean, I uploaded once a week and people kind of liked it. So yeah, I reached my first 100 subscribers within a month and a half, which I think it's pretty fast. I'm gonna mention to you, one video changed everything for me. On the 12th of May, I uploaded cheap clothing stores online, and that video did so well for me. I mean, after like 3 weeks, in the beginning it went like this, and then after 3 weeks it kind of blew up, and I'm at 200,000 views with that video right now, and a lot of views and definitely a lot of watch hours. And also a lot of my money is coming from that video. So that really did it for me. But it didn't do as well first, so that 100 subscribers doesn't really have much to do with that video. But that video did really help me a lot. I got a lot of subscribers and a lot of views and watch hours from that one video. So I just got really lucky, I guess. I mean, I was doing YouTube for 1 month and I already had a really good video that now has over 200,000 views. Like, that is insane. I was really happy with that. Like, I had another video that did well. It was my Yes I'll Try On haul. Like, it did well. It got over 1,000 views. But like, that was like, oh my god, I believe it was like my 3rd video or something. Then came this one. I'm still so happy and grateful for that. Over a month later, on the 11th of July, I reached my first 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I was really happy. Like, it went really fast at that time. Like, I write down for every Monday what my subscribers are, and I believe at the beginning of that week it was 700, and then a couple days later I already had 1,000. Like, it went like 50 to 100 subscribers a day, and I was so happy with that. And then I reached 1,000 subscribers. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of a dream to make YouTube into my full-time job, and if I can make that happen, I'd be so happy and proud of myself, and also very lucky. So it was like just a goal, that 1,000 subscribers, because that's the first requirement you need to get monetized. Don't get me wrong, I'm not doing it for the money. I'm just doing it so I can do it every day. I'm just gonna tell you how it went for me with my watch hours. When I had about 500 subscribers, I also had around 500 watch hours. So it was a little bit more, it went a little bit faster than that, but that's not a lot because you need 4,000 watch hours. I was like, how do you do that so fast? And I was watching other YouTubers and they were like, yeah, it went pretty hand in hand with me. So when I reached 1,000 subscribers, I also reached my 4,000 watch hours. And I was like, how? When I reached my 1,000 subscribers, I think I was around 2,000 watch hours. So I still needed 2,000 more. And I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I just didn't know what I could do about that to change that. So I just thought I'm just gonna keep making videos and I will see what happens. My cheap clothing stores online, it kept going up and it kept growing faster and faster. Just that video went so fast and it kept going up and up, and it was just insane how much views I was getting. So I kind of reached my 4,000 watch hours pretty fast after that. I believe about 2 weeks later, I believe 1.5 weeks. Anyways, on the 28th of July, I reached my 4,000 watch hours. So that was like in 2 weeks, I gained another 2,000 watch hours. So I was incredibly happy. So I could see in my analytics that I had already reached 4,000 watch hours, but I couldn't see it yet on my monetization page. So that was kind of frustrating. But what did work for me is actually refreshing the page. You would not believe it. I couldn't apply until the next day. So the 29th of July, I had the option to apply. So I was very happy. I'm just gonna say I did not lie about getting monetized within 24 hours. And no, I had not a Google AdSense account set up beforehand, because some people do. I didn't. And that takes a long time. So, okay, I'm just gonna tell you how it went for me. I could apply and I thought, oh my god, yes, this is gonna take like a couple of weeks. I am still not sure how it normally goes. I'm still confused. With Google AdSense, you have a whole process before you actually have your account set up. So you get a letter sent to your house that takes like a couple of weeks to arrive, and you have to confirm your bank account and stuff, and it takes a while. Then the YouTube process after your Google AdSense account is set up, that also takes a while. So I thought, this is gonna take a while. I applied for Google AdSense. I filled out like my name and everything, and then it was under review. I just thought I'm just gonna leave it. When something else happens, I'll probably get an email. So I went to work and I did my thing. And by the way, this was in the morning around 11 a.m. that I applied. So the next day I woke up and I checked my phone and I had this email and it said, congratulations, you are accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. And I was like, what? I was honestly so confused, and for half an hour I just didn't understand what was happening. Like seriously, I was so confused. I was so sure that I was gonna get a letter from Google AdSense and I would have to do everything and it would take a couple of weeks. So at first I just thought, oh, is this the email that says you can apply now for the YouTube Partner Program, you know? I really thought that was it at first. So I grabbed my MacBook right away and I was like, hold up, I need to check something. So I went into my YouTube account and I went to YouTube Studio. I was able to put ads under my videos. I still did not understand it. I was so confused, and I went to my Google AdSense account and it didn't say like you're being reviewed, but it actually gave the homepage, and I was still so confused and I still did not know what was happening. Well, I got monetized and I was so confused, and I'm still confused about everything. So yeah, I got monetized within 24 hours. Like, I applied at 11 a.m. for a Google AdSense account, and the next day at 8 a.m. I got an email from YouTube that I was monetized, and I was so confused. On the 30th of July, I got monetized. So you might wonder, but you need to confirm stuff, right? Well, I thought that too, and I did have to do that. I had to do that afterwards. After a couple of days that I got monetized, I had this notification in my YouTube Studio, and it said you need to confirm your address in order to get paid from Google AdSense. And I was like, what? I was again confused. So I went into Google AdSense and they said that on the 3rd of August, they sent a letter to my house and it could take 2 to 4 weeks to arrive, and until that is confirmed, they were gonna keep the money in Google AdSense and they were not gonna pay me yet. So I was like, oh, okay. I didn't really mind. Like, I was already expecting that I had to do this. I just thought I had to do it beforehand. But the good thing is that I was already making money. It was just not getting into my bank account yet from Google AdSense. So I didn't really mind that much. I was like, okay, well, that's fine. So they sent me a letter. It was a very big coincidence, but I got it this morning. So I got it. So yeah, that was done. It was so easy, but it came in 1.5 weeks, so I was happy about that because I thought 2 to 4 weeks, that's a long time. And I know that you'll get paid around the 21st of every month. So I was like, maybe I can get it done before that, but I don't know. So yeah, this happened. I was happy about that. I just filled in the code and that was it. It was done. And then I also had to confirm my bank account, but I already did that because I already had that option. And it said like it could take like 2 or 3 to 5 days before you get a small amount of money into your bank account that you need to confirm. Well, it was the next morning that I had that small amount of money in my bank account. And then I also just had to fill out that one number of money. That was also done. So it was very easy. It was very quick. I completed the process. I am officially done. My Google AdSense account is now all set up. When I started YouTube, I was like, okay, I had so much trust in myself. Like, I had so much hope. I'm just gonna be great at this. What you tell yourself and what you believe in is what actually is gonna happen. I truly believe that, and you can make anything happen. I'm still so happy about that. I'm so lucky. And I'm so happy to have every single one of you, and thank you so much for watching my videos and everything. I've been doing YouTube for 4 months and I'm already over 5,000 subscribers and I'm monetized, and it makes me so happy and I'm so lucky. Let's talk numbers. So I am gonna be honest with you, after I got monetized, for some reason my most popular video kind of started to do less well. So at first it went like this and now it's going like this, which was kind of a shame, but I'm not gonna cry or anything. Like, it had its good time, it had its peak, and now it's over, and that is definitely fine. So things are going slower for me now, but I don't care. I'm still happy with where I am right now, and I will get another peak again. I am gonna tell you that because I got less and less views the last couple of days, weeks. When my video was at its highest peak, I gained 15,000 views that day. Like, it was insane. And before that it was also like between 5 and 15,000 views a day. So that is a lot. The last couple of days it's been like 3,000 a day, so that's definitely less. Yeah, I'm not gonna complain. I did really well for a long time, so I am gonna be honest with you about that. I can see the money that I made from the 30th of July until the 12th of August, so that's 2 days ago. I'll just say it in euros and dollars. So in euros, I made almost 2 weeks. I made 176 euros and 71 cents. I would say that is a lot. In dollars, if you're not from Europe, I earned $208.58 in those almost 2 weeks. So I'm very happy about that. I hope it's just gonna keep doing well for me, like, honestly. So yeah, the first day I made the most until now. The last couple of days with the kind of less views, with around 4,000 views, I earn about 6 to 8 euros a day, but I still think that's a lot. I gotta sneeze. Oh my god. Okay, I'm good. So that's kind of what I've been making so far, and it really depends on how much views you get and just how long people watch your videos. So far I'm pretty satisfied. I mean, I'm still a small YouTuber. I'm only at 5,000 subscribers. That's kind of my story. So honestly, was it hard to get monetized? No, not for me. But it's different for everyone, and everyone's story is different. Everyone's process is different. I feel like I got very lucky with my process. I feel like it went different than some people. Like, I really feel like Google AdSense process should have happened beforehand. I really feel like I got lucky, and I did not expect that. If you're a YouTuber and you really wanting to reach those guidelines, then just keep going. Have fun with YouTube and just focus on your videos. But yeah, just keep going and don't be too focused on all those numbers, all the watch hours. I mean, you do have to like look at it and just scan your videos on what is good about it, what is not good about it, what video gets you more watch hours, what video does best, and what you can maybe do for your future videos. But don't get too obsessed, like how far am I, how much do I need, and am I there yet? What you want, you will get it. Like, you can get anything you want, you can make everything come true. Just keep going and you will get there. Anyways, that was it for this video. If you want to see more videos about this, or maybe what I earn, or whatever the hell you want to see, then just leave it down below in the comments, and you can ask me anything you want about it, and maybe DM me if you have any questions that maybe personal questions, I don't know. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload a lot about fashion if you're interested in it, and I hope I will see you next week.